Good afternoon, KW family. I want to start out by thanking everyone that participated in the Toolbox raffle, and even more importantly, thanks for your thoughts and prayers directed towards Mike. It means a lot to us. Mike's a key cog in the machine that helps this Gray store move, and we miss him dearly. We wish he was here with us, but since he's not able to be, I'm glad we were able to raise $12,400 to help his cause.
Yeah, we'll go ahead. So I think we have 110 chances in here for people that some made donations, some bought tickets, and a lot of people that did buy tickets pulled their name out. So I think there's 110 chances left in this heart. We're gonna dump it in here. Shake it up, Gabe.
All right, who's the lucky one?
Since my name's not in it, I'll pick. Get the one. Mr. Vernon.
How about that? All right.
Congratulations, Vernon.
All right.
You got you one hell of a toolbox coming your way.
That's what Vernon needs.
Thanks again, everybody.